Hi, I'm Mahana, your catalyst for transformation. Why some people manifest easily and why you're struggling. Ooh, let's talk about this one. Are you struggling right now? And are you noticing the opposite? Are you noticing other people thinking, oh, they have it so easy. It must be so easy for them or so good for them. But yet you might feel like it's really hard for you. My heart goes out to you. Oh, my heart goes out to you. I know it is hard when you're struggling. It really is. It really sucks. It really stinks. Totally, completely. And if you are struggling right now, may I invite you to just pause a minute, especially if you're listening to this talk. Take a deep breath. Take 3 deep breaths. Deep breath in your nose. Hold it for about 4 to 6 seconds. Blow it out your mouth. If you feel that emotion of struggle, stop, breathe, reconnect back to your heart again. Back to your heart again. Oh, and then you can ask some key questions in your heart. What is this here for me for? You can stand in your power and say, I am done with struggle. I am done with struggle and I want a new change. Let your heart assist you to bring those desires of how you would like it to be instead of how hard or struggling it is. And we highly recommend for you, when you are ready, to help yourself by changing beliefs at the subconscious level of the mind. Because if you are struggling, it only means that you have beliefs that are operating at the subconscious mind, like it has to be hard, or it could be things like I'm not good enough, or I'm not, let's say, successful enough, or anything that could be the opposite. If that does create the struggle, it may be just limiting beliefs that your subconscious mind is still running. All of us downloaded our beliefs our first 7 years of life, and that's what runs our life. Dr. Bruce Lipton talks about this. He's an amazing cell biologist and with epigenetics, and they have found a tremendous information in science about our subconscious mind and that how powerful it is. It runs nearly 95 to 99% of everything that we do. It's our habitual operating system within us. And the world will show you what your programs are. So if you are struggling, it's okay. It just means you have some programs that are then creating that reality for you. And the gift is you get to change your reality. That's the gift of this, all of this. And it is a wake-up call. You have to stand in your power, wake up to that, or just get so sick of it that you realize something has to change. That can usually help too. That's for sure. And if you're comparing yourself to others, where you're living in what's called polarity, like you think somebody's better than you, or they had the easy life where I had to have a hard life, and that might be victim energy too. Many of us have experienced victim energy, including myself. Tremendously. With the gift of PSYCH-K, I was able to transform those beliefs, so many of them, and I'm forever grateful. And if anything does come up that is challenging for me or difficult for me, I get to use this tool for myself on a daily basis. And you can too. This was downloaded to Rob Williams about 35 years ago. And it's a spiritual tool for us, especially during this time. So please trust and know that there are ways that can help you, greatly help you now. It's fast, it's effective, and it's long lasting. And it's just a choice for you to say yes. Yes, I do want the change. Yes, I am done with struggle. I'm tired of struggle. I want to be able to manifest easily too, like others. Because if others are doing this, they're actually a mirror for you. They're actually showing you that you actually can do this too. You just might not have the same beliefs that they have, the same operating system that is creating that reality. And guess what? You can have that same operating system and even more. You can even create even fun, exciting other things that you would love to have. We are the creators of our life based on the beliefs that we have. And we can change these beliefs. And that's the huge gift of PSYCH-K. So I welcome for you to check my link below for a taste of PSYCH-K. I get a 90% off savings of a 30-minute session. At least you can begin to see, hey, could this really work for me? And you may be interested in coming to some of my workshops that I offer. You can check my website for that, or even a private session, a full private session, or a series of sessions. Because we have a lot of cleaning up to do, by the way. I certainly have been doing this for the last 15 years for myself, and I still every day have more new things that I'm helping myself with and changing to upgrade, to delete, and really unlearn and relearn and remember who I am and connecting to the spiritual parts of me. We actually are spiritual beings having this human experience. And when you can reconnect to the true love of who you are, everything's going to change. You'll be able to live in the flow. And that's a higher vibration, a higher consciousness, a higher way of being. And it allows things to become easier for you. And you can become and be in more joy, more love, more peace and harmony. And we welcome this for you. Aho.